welcome to your yoga break. Let's get stretching. Okay, first come to an easy seated position. Roll the shoulder back and start to inhale through your nose. Sigh it out through the mouth. Okay, let's come to our tabletop. Palms on top of the mat. Knees underneath the hips, and inhale. Arch the back. Look in between the navel. Exhale, drop the hip down, look up. Inhale, round that spine. Exhale, hip down. One more time, inhale. And exhale, hip down, look up. Inhale like an angry cat. Round your back. Exhale, hip down, look up. Last round, inhale. And exhale. Now come to the center of the mat and sit on your heels. Toes pointing, but if this is too difficult, feel free to tuck your toes, whichever feels better for you. Now inhale, roll the shoulder back. 1, 2, and 3. Let's release the rotator cuff. And opposite side. 1, 2, and 3. Now left palm on top of the right knee and just shift all the way to the right. Look either in front or all the way to the back. Few breaths here. And we'll do the opposite side. Few breaths. And release, come back to center. Come to tabletop. And come to your chest. Palms in line with the chest. Nose down. Inhale, chest up, activate the bum, point to toes. Cobra. And lower. One more time. Inhale, now extend those elbows. Look up. And lower. Last one. Inhale, extend those elbows. Maybe you lift your knees. Releasing the lower back. Look up and lower. Good job. Now tuck your toes. Come back to a tabletop position. Again. Rise up. Now hands to waist. Inhale, look back. Push the hip forward. Look back. Come back to center. We'll do this 2 more times. Inhale, push the hip forward. Look back. Come back to center. Last one. Shift forward. Head back. And come back to center. Good. Now palms down. Curl your toes. Soles of the feet on the ground to your first yogic squat. Now really splay the knees wide, opening the hips, and bum down, extend those legs. Now, bring the palms in line with the knees. Inhale, flex the foot, and bring the chest closer to the thighs. Inhale, extend, lengthen the spine. Again, keep those feet active. Heart lower. Inhale, exhale, come back. One more time. Palms in line with the knees. Now what matters is that legs firmly on the ground. Inhale, exhale, chest lower. Lengthen, deepen, keep those toes active. 3 more breaths. And And come back to center. Good job. Now, soles of the feet together. Bring the heels as close as you can to the groin. Let's open the hip. Opening the feet like a book. And just, again, melt forward. 2 more breaths. And rise. 1 more time, inhale. Exhale, melt forward. Now, release the thighs with your elbow, feeling your hip open. And rise. Extend the left foot forward. Bend the right knee. This time, hook the left elbow on top of the right knee. Right wrist in line with the right hip. Point left finger up, inhale. And look to the side. If you can, look to the back. Spinal twist. And come back to center. Let's do the other side. Bend the left knee, hook the right elbow on top. Left wrist in line with the left hip. Pointing right hand up, inhale. Look to the back if you can. If you can't, look to the side. Few more breaths. And release, come back to center. Extend the legs. Lie down. Now bend both knees. Let it drop to the left. Just place the left palm on top of those knees. Now extend right hand to the right. Gaze the right middle finger. Just relax here. Releasing again your spine. Coming back to center. Now hug your knees. We'll do the other side. Few breaths. Again, hug your knees. Feet up, grab at the blade of the feet. Let's rock the spine. Spinal massage. My students love this. And extend the legs. Now, if you're texting too much, you're always chin down, this is going to be good. Crown of the head on the mat. Let's release your throat. Stay here. Now keep the hip active, heart open. Your breaths, releasing your throat. And lie down. Palms wide. Bend both knees. Drop to the right. Extend your hand. And come back to seating. Come to a comfortable cross leg. Inhale. Melt forward. Extend the hands. Exhale. Give yourself a good hug. And palms together, thumb to heart. Thank you, class, and that was your yoga break.